All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. Proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ram 1500 pickup truck. It is the SLT model. It's beautiful white with charcoal interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system. It's got backup camera. It's got the rear sliding glass, which is great. 5.7 liter Hemi, super nice. Only 20,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. On the chrome itself, it seems to have a little dent, if not two of them. One here about 2 inches, one here about 2 inches, one here and here. All right, the hood looks pretty good. Your fender here looks pretty good. Does have a dent here with no paint off, about 6 to 7 inches. No paint off and hard to see really. The front driver's rim, very nice SLT curb. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. The bedside, rear driver's rim, very nice SLT curbing here. And your tire thread, over 730 seconds. Nice shot of your roof, what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, the holes, the tails, the rips, looks good. We jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you folks. Does come one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Obviously your AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff. That's working. AC controls right down below. Backup camera. Boom. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 20,695. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Power buttons there. Got stuff. All right. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. And what that looks like, the holes, the tails, and rips. Does have a little rear compartment down here. Some storage down there. Nice shot of your bed. Of course, that is a power on glass. Keep forgetting to show it. And I just saw a little ding here on the driver's door. A little button here, which moves that window. Boom. Boom. Very sharp. I remember when the Toyota only had that option. Very nice. Here's your rear. Got a little dent here in the rear bumper, about 3 inches on the chrome. The rest of it looks pretty good. Your lift gate looks pretty good. There's of course your cargo area. What that looks like, very nice. Quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice SLT curbing, tire thread, over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. And it's not charcoal interior, it's a gray interior, I apologize. Fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger rim, and that looks good in your tire thread, over 730 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, the 2018 Ram 1500 Hemi with 20,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.